If you are involved in YouTube automation, the most critical factor for your success is ensuring your videos are watched by a USA audience. Targeting local audiences in regions like Asia will result in a low RPM, meaning your revenue won't reach its full potential. To shift your viewership to the West, there are 4 key strategies you should implement. First and foremost, do not use a VPN. Many creators believe that using a VPN to select a USA location will direct their videos there, but YouTube's system is sophisticated enough to detect this, which can lead to your channel being shadow banned. Instead of technical shortcuts, focus on cultural alignment, your script, the examples you use, and the voiceover accent, whether recorded naturally or through tools like 11 Labs, must be tailored to the specific country you are targeting. You need to understand what Western audiences enjoy and ensure your content reflects their style and idioms rather than using local metaphors that won't resonate. It is important to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. It typically begins by spreading your video regionally. If you upload from South Asia, your initial views might come from Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh. However, when the local audience doesn't engage because the content isn't meant for them, YouTube's algorithm will recognize this and begin testing the video in other regions like the USA, Canada, or England. If your content is genuinely high quality and designed for those markets, it will eventually find its audience there. Therefore, do not panic if your early views are local. Simply stay consistent with your Western-focused scripts, titles, and thumbnails. Speaking of aesthetics, there is a major difference in SEO and design styles. While South Asian thumbnails often feature large, bold lines of text, Western creators tend to use subtle visual hints on the thumbnail while placing the main hook in the title. Adopting this cleaner, more professional style is essential for building trust with a global audience. Technically, there are a few adjustments you must make within YouTube Studio to facilitate this shift. First, navigate to your channel settings and change your country of residence to the United States. This helps build trust. An English-speaking viewer who checks your About section is more likely to subscribe if they see a location that matches the content's language. Next, go to your Upload Defaults under Advanced Settings and explicitly set both the video language and the title and description language to English. While these small settings help the algorithm categorize your work, the most important driver is the content itself. If your video is truly made for the USA, YouTube will naturally deliver it to the right people. You don't need to spam links on social media or use tricks common on other platforms. Simply focus on providing value to your target demographic, and the algorithm will do the rest.